So we are going to make a spread and learn InDesign. Our first step is needing to make a 2-page spread. So first you need to go into InDesign. How do you access that? I'm going to click out of here. InDesign is this little pink icon that has ID on it. Yours should say Adobe InDesign 2022. So if you just click on that, it'll open up. And when you come over here, you need to make sure that this icon tells you that you are logged in. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it, and then I'm going to drag this over here so that hopefully you can see this better. So you can see that I am logged in with my name. It should say Springfield High School, and it should also say your school email address. The way that you log in is just with your school email address and then your password that you use for everything. So that should be how you log into InDesign, as well as any other Adobe Creative Cloud program. So in InDesign, if you get this little pop-up that says Walsworth Yearbooks, this is important for us later in the year, but you don't need to worry about it right now. So in InDesign, we're going to go ahead and just follow the instructions that we have in front of us. So let's go to File, New Document. So File is up here, File, and I'm going to hit New Document. You can also do a short key called Command N. So now this kind of panel is going to pop up here, and this is called the preset panel. We're going to want to go to units and change it to inches. Okay, our height for our document is going to be 11 inches, and our width is going to be 8.5. Our pages are going to be 2, so you can change that in here. Okay, your start number should also be 2. Okay, and then it's going to say, do you want facing pages? Yes, you want facing pages. Okay. The column gutter should automatically be 0.1667 of an inch. Your margin should be 0.5 all around. Okay, and then the last thing we're going to check for is the bleed. Okay, the bleed needs to be 0.125 on the top, the bottom, and the outside, with the inside being 0. So the way we can change this is by hitting this little link. It just means like things are unlinked, right? So now the top, you can change it to 0.125, and the top, the bottom, the outside, the inside stays a 0. Okay, now you're going to click the Create button. Okay, and over here on the right, you should have a Pages document that pulls up, and it's going to say Pages 2 and 3. The reason it doesn't say 1 on here is because 1 would be the cover of something. So this is like if you were to open up a book, you would have Pages 2 and 3 thinking that your cover is 1. Okay, and so from here, we are going to be able to work in our document.